What's up guys, GGFOREX here, welcome back to my channel, and it is Thursday today, the 20th of Jan. I didn't film yesterday, Wednesday, which was GP CPI data day. Nothing happened, it just went sideways. I'm going to show over a few things that I'm watching, but really I'm just holding GJ. I think it's redistributing at the moment because it's, as I said, it just went sideways and now it's pushing down. It's made a lower high and it looks like it's about to make a lower low on the 4-hour time frame. So to me, it hesitated, stagnated, redistributed, the banks re-put in their sell orders, and it seems to be, I could be wrong, seems to be selling off again. So maybe late tomorrow on Friday, I could be in a situation where I could potentially close some of these trades out and finish a challenge. But let me just show you what I mean, because there is liquidity building up to the top side as well. So as you can see on GJ 4-hour time frame, it has created a trend line liquidity, right? Obviously this came down with the trend line, this move up here liquidated it, hence why I was waiting for maybe a third entry. It's still on there as a pending at the moment, but hasn't triggered yet. Obviously it's left some equal highs above here, so again, more incentive for price to go higher, but I feel like what it's doing at the moment is just selling off. So it went sideways yesterday and it's just pushing down today. It's made a lower high and never really tried to attack this high, and it seems to be trying to attack the low instead. So that's what I feel could be happening. EU just ran away. If I went in on the 4-hour time frame, it would have been great, but it didn't. But let me show you what I mean by if I did the 4-hour time frame, because it was just beautiful price action trading, respecting the 4-hour time frame. See, 4-hour trading block came in. I was hoping for this sort of pattern to happen again, right? Where came into that 4-hour block, consolidated, took out the lows, took out the highs, mitigated, pushed higher. Created another 4-hour order block, moved higher. Price came back in at the trade from it again, just accumulated with this beautiful circle and then just ran higher. What I wanted to see was consolidation, take out the highs, come back, mitigate the lows, and then boom, move higher. It didn't, it just seems to be full sending it to the top side, which is great. So maybe lower time frame stuff, we can see what's going on, but there is imbalance, there is unmitigated candles down here, so it does make it higher risk. And also at the moment it's creating a trend line, so that's obviously another risk to the trade that can easily be liquidated. So you might see something like this, something like that happening potentially, but time will tell. I've got alarms set down here for when price gets to this level anyway. I don't want to be looking for buys up here because again it's more expensive, or I'll be buying price at a cheaper rate. So that's what I'm keeping my eyes on. I did do this markup on EN, quite funny. I didn't really want to take the trade, I didn't really need the risk, but it didn't really need to take the risk, but it is working out, which is quite nice. Reason being, let me just zoom out a sec. Beautiful equal highs, beautiful equal lows, liquidated the highs from here, took out this high, divergence, coming down. So everything is saying it's going to sell off. So really, if price breaks this low, and then I'll be looking for a retracement back up here to then ride down and attack these lows down here. That's what I'm looking for anyway. Possibly for my verification stage. Again, I don't need it to do the stage 1 part. So hence why I stayed out this trade, but at least I know the markup is working so far. But yeah, so basically sitting on my hands waiting for GJ to take place. So if you have a look, obviously today's profits is 3,194. Also need to do my micro trade still. And but yeah, so it's saying I'm up 1,700 quid. I'm not, obviously, so I'm over 5%, I think. No, yeah, I'm roughly at 5% floating at the moment with both these trades. Also, well, technically 9%, but obviously I'm 5% profit because I'm already down 4%. So I'm floating 9% at the moment, which is good. But yeah, still not enough. I need to get the other 5%, maybe by the end of the day, maybe not, but we'll see. But one thing I am going to do though, which I keep forgetting to do, is those micro trades. So I'm going to get on that now. Good morning, guys. It is 9 o'clock, Friday, 21st. Oh, good news. I've passed! I'm so happy. It happened in the middle of the night. I didn't really sleep. I knew it was close. For the people who already follow me on Instagram and Facebook, they probably already know, all right? So if you want to know where the first information gets before we get to YouTube, it usually ends up on my social media stuff. So yeah, I'm just really happy. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the trades that I was in, what happened overnight, what I was obviously anticipating. Was it a redistribution? Was it gonna go up and then move back down again? Luckily enough, it just moved straight down on a redistribution. So there could be possible re-entries on this for the obviously 5% easy to get on stage 2. So let me just show you what I've done. Oh, I'm so happy because like the stress is gone, the pressure's gone. It's kind of like I can chill out now. I've still got 2 extra days to do before technically I fully pass, so you won't see a certificate and a thumbnail or anything like that, because it's frustrating, but it's one of them things. So yeah, let me just show you what I've done. So this is a trade that I was in. Obviously I was anticipating possibly price, it was around here, so it was either going to come higher and then come lower, but instead it just pushed down. So to me, let me just get rid of this. So to me, there's possible re-entries in this area, but I will be mindful that obviously there is equal highs. So maybe up here could be a safer bet. Who knows? I just need to play it, set alarms when price gets into this area, and then obviously move with it. I mean, it's kind of frustrating that these 2 trades worked out because I've missed a lot of trades on GU. As you guys know who have been following me from the start of this series, I missed a lot of trades on GU that I could have passed ages ago with, probably on the 2nd day, which is frustrating, but at the end we made it. But if I just hide this, just that one trade alone is a 1 to 10, so that would have passed straight away. But as you know, I was just over 4% down. So obviously I need to do a second trade, and obviously this was that 4% for the second trade, which was just 0 drawdown on both of these, which was absolutely insane. So super happy with these results. Let me just show you for proof, obviously on my C trader side of things. It shows it's not a screenshot. Those are my 2 trades that I put in. And then if I go to my FTMO backend and then refresh it, there you go. Look at the equity curve. It just went boom, 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 smash. So that was amazing. Obviously, passed the challenge. Still got to get more than another 2 micro trades in. But yeah, so I did the maths on it. So this is all going to be confusing because it says like average RR 6.88. That's going to be skewed a little bit because obviously I did micro trades and stuff, and obviously things went to break even. So that's going to be skewed. But other than that, they're like, within the rules, I had 1750 max daily loss, and I used 380, and obviously 3,500 overall drawdown, only used 1,400. So definitely kept within the rules, hit the profit target nicely, and obviously still got another 2 days to go. But overall, with the trades that I've done, I did 2 break evens, 4 losses, 2 wins. So I think that's a pretty good result. 6 trades probably, well 8 trades really, and managed to pass. So I've definitely noticed now that my trading style is, I trade a lot less, but the trades that I do run a lot better. I've definitely learned how to hold my trades, and obviously trading in the zone and helping my psychology has definitely helped with that. But yeah, obviously GJ is my main one. EG is still my worst enemy. I hate it, but it is what it is. But yeah, so that's the overall gist, guys. I'm just super happy that I've managed to pass. It's been a bumpy ride. Some of you guys didn't believe, which is cool. That's fine. You're all entitled to your own opinion, but obviously there was method to what I was doing. There was an edge. There was a strategy that I was applying this to. It wasn't random. It was my edge, and I played it out. I had patience, stuck to my plan, and it paid off, which is great. So I'm just super excited. So probably by Tuesday, I'll get my certificate saying I passed, and I'll get my credentials for my second account for the 5%. I know you guys are going to be saying you can use Bitcoin over the weekend, but I'm not sure on the spreads. If the spreads are small, because I've only got £78 over what I actually need. And usually when I do micro trades, I go on EU 0.01 and it's like 3 pence loss or whatever to do the micro trade. So I might just wait till Tuesday rather than try and rush it and get my credentials on Monday and then kind of risk losing that £78. I don't know what the spreads are on Bitcoin, so I could be completely wrong this and you guys will be telling me in the comment box below anyway. But yeah, so I'm not really fussed about getting my account details before Monday or whatever, because I'm only going to trade when the setups are there anyway, and it probably won't be till probably Wednesday, Thursday next week. So I'm perfectly happy with just sitting on my hands, waiting, enjoying myself now, relaxing, go to gym, whatever, and not have to worry about this for the time being. But yeah guys, thank you for those who have supported me and given me nice comments in the DMs. I appreciate you all and love you all. But yeah, for the next one guys, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you then.